Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fit, healthy and fine. Today we are going to talk about Indian test team which has been picked for England's tour. First, there will be World Test Championship final which will be played against New Zealand, and then India will play against England 5 test matches. So let's start. First, if we talk about openers, then there are 4 openers which are there in the squad. Shubman Gill, Rohit Sharma, Mayank Agarwal and KL Rahul. So KL Rahul is subject to fitness because as of now he is not keeping well. Moving on to the middle order, then there is a Mr. Dependable Cheteshwar Pujara, then our captain Virat Kohli, vice captain Ajinkya Rahane, Hanuma Vihari is there. These are the 4 middle order batsmen. Then moving on to the next lot, which is wicket keepers. Then there are 2 wicket keepers which are picked. First one is in form Rishabh Pant, and second one is Wriddhiman Saha, who is again similar to KL Rahul, subject to fitness clearance because he has been tested COVID-19 positive recently, and there are high chances that by the England tour he will be fit and fine. So these are the 2 wicket keepers. Moving on to the next lot, there are 4 spinners which are there in the squad. Ravichandran Ashwin, Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel and Washington Sundar. So as many as 4 spinners which has been picked for England's tour, and I'm not surprised, to be honest, because looking at Akshar's and Washington's performance from last 6 to 8 months, they have done really well. And due to COVID and all, every team has to pick some extra players in their squad just to ensure whenever something happens that you will have a backup player available right in there. So that's all about spinners. There are 4 spinners. Moving on to the next lot, there are 6 faster bowlers which are being picked. Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami, Ishant Sharma, Shardul Thakur, then Mohammad Siraj and Umesh Yadav. So these are the 20 players which are being picked. So 4 opening player batsmen, 4 middle order, 2 wicket keepers, 4 spinners and 6 pace bowlers. So these are the 20 players which are being picked. There are 4 standby players are also there. So 3 of them are fast bowlers. First one is Avesh Khan, Prasidh Krishna and Arjun Nagwaswala, who is a player from Gujarat who plays for a Gujarat cricket team in the Ranji. And there is another player who is Abhimanyu Iswaran, who is a opening batsman. So these are 4 standby players which are being picked. So as many as there are 24 players which are there in the squad. Now let's talk about a player who might have made to the squad but they have missed to make it. The first name which comes to my mind is Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. I mean the kind of impact Bhuvi had, especially in England tour. So he has played 5 test matches in England and he has picked as many as 19 wickets. Also I remember scoring 2 back-to-back 50s in last England tour which he was a part of. So slightly surprised Bhuvi's name is not there, but having said that, maybe due to fitness issue he is not picked in this tour. Second name which comes to my mind is Hardik Pandya. I mean this guy is a really great talent. He was there in last England's tour as well, wherein he played 4 test matches. He picked up 10 wickets. So he was really handy with bat and ball, and he's an all-rounder. But if you look at his current form and fitness, so he is not bowling from last couple of months actually. You might have seen in IPL as well, he has not bowled a single over for Mumbai Indians. So he is still not fit, and that's why he is not picked in the Indian squad. Third name which comes to my mind is Prithvi Shaw. I mean, if you look at his current form, especially last 2 months in IPL, he has been absolutely sensational. But if you look at his previous test form, especially in Australia's tour, where he was picked in one match, but then again he was dropped because he was not doing well, especially in the batting. Fourth name which comes to my mind is Kuldeep Yadav. I feel really sad for this player, but having said that, if you look at Washington Sundar and Akshar Patel's performance in the recent times, in the absence of Ravichandran Ashwin, Washi has done really well, and in the absence of Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel, we have seen in that series against England, home series. So Indian team has done some tactical selection that since Ashwin is bowling off spin and bat a little bit, they have gone with Washington Sundar, who is again similar to Ashwin. Akshar Patel is also similar to Ravindra Jadeja, who can bowl left arm spin and bat and score some runs down the line as well. So all these are really tactical changes, and I think if these test matches would have been played in India or subcontinent, maybe instead of one faster bowler, Kuldeep Yadav would have been in the squad. But since matches will be played in England, India has already selected 4 spinners, and there is really a thin chance wherein team management or selection committee will select 5th spinner. So tough call for Kuldeep. So these are 4 players who I think might have missed to make to the squad. But having said that, they can still go to county and play, like Hanuma Vihari, who's been part of Warwickshire at this point in time and playing county. So I think Prithvi Shaw can also join one of the county club if BCCI provides approval and all those stuff, and which will help him in the overseas tour especially. So Prithvi Shaw is an emerging talent who can really do well, and he's a future of Indian cricket. Absolutely no doubt about it. So this is the squad for the Indian team, which will be playing test matches, as many as 6 test matches in England. So there are 20 players and 4 standby players. So 24 member squad which will go. I think they will also take care of vaccination as well. I think since all these players are in India at this moment, I think they will take first vaccination dose here, and there are high chances that second dose can be taken in England as well. So vaccination will also be there since IPL has been cancelled. There are high chances that Indian team will go much earlier as compared to the previous plan in England. So they will have some time to spend over there. They can practice, they can get used to their conditions which are there in England. So it will be a fascinating tour to watch out. All the best to Indian cricket team. I hope you guys will win first test championship, which is, I would say, equal to World Cup, because it comes once in a 4 year, again similar to World Cup. So all the best to Indian team. Squad looks good, and our wishes are with you guys, and we are confident that you will defeat New Zealand and lift that trophy. So that's all from today's video, guys. Please stay tuned for next videos. In the meantime, during this COVID situation, please take care of yourself. Please follow all the government protocols and guidelines. And yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.